Hello guys, today we're going to open up another one of the British ration packs. This is the number 3. Of course it's got tea in it, it's British! I don't know what's in this one. I think it's the lamb one, but we'll find out because you never know, they change the menu so often. But anyway, got my trusty knife here. I'm gonna open this up. You're gonna get to see this just like we do. First time for everything. Now, as I'm opening this, one thing I've noticed, and this one could be an exception, I don't know, but a lot used to be, I heard they used to put little stoves in these, but I don't see any. I haven't seen any in these. But anyway, like the other one. The only thing is in this one, the spoon doesn't have a spork. Strange. Here's this one. There's a spork from the last one. They must have changed things up. But anyway, of course it's got tea in it because it's British. And it's got bacteria wipes and napkins and stuff and breath mints. And the spoon here. So we got that there. Let's see, they gave us a cola flavored drink powder. Cola flavored drink powder. So I guess it's supposed to taste like soda. I don't know. Isotonic drink flavor powder. Lemon. Boy, there's a lot of drinks in these. So you got another raspberry drink powder. Got your chocolate powder. You got some peanut butter. It's good and smooth peanut butter. It even says so on the package. We got just fruit. Doesn't say what kind of fruit.
It's just fruit.
It's just fruit. Let's see here. We got date and strawberry fruit bar. That looks good.
I haven't had dates in a long time.
Okay, we got some biscuits. Gotta say that with a southern accent. It's a biscuit.
Yeah,
But
it's not the same kind of biscuits.
but these aren't the same kind. These are more like crackers.
They're cookies.
They're cookies, crackers. I don't know. It's a biscuit. British biscuit. Let's see. You got a sesame bar. That looks good. Wow. Okay, we got another one of them fruit bars. Blackfire's flapjack fruit bar. It's like an oatmeal bar. An actual Tabasco sauce bottle. My God. Boy, I miss these little things.
Yeah, you can get those at Avery Island. You just go there and right to the manufacturer and buy them.
That's pretty neat.
At least you used to.
Okay, now we're getting down to the meals. Oh, they give you some matches. But like I said, I'm shocked. I don't see any stoves or anything in them. Strange. Anyway, chicken, sausage, and beans. I guess that's what they eat for breakfast over there. Of course, I'd eat that for lunch. That looks good. But I could eat that for breakfast. You got some steak, vegetables, and dumplings. That looks good. And the Thai-style chicken soup. That looks good, really good. Yummy, yummy. Anyway, then of course they give you this feedback form and a menu sheet thingy. It tells you some information about the meal. Anyway, that's all that came with it. I have to say, I'm shocked they're not putting the little stoves in there. They used to put little Esabit stoves in there. And, you know, but they don't look like they do that anymore. But boy, they put a lot of stuff in here. Some good stuff. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Anyway, big old box of stuff, just like the last one. And, you know, if you like this video, we'll bring you even more of these, show you what's in these things. Maybe if it helps you decide if you're getting one or something. But I think those are pretty cool. Anyway, thank you very much.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.